Kim Kardashian is set to take the stand on May 13th in a Paris courtroom, reliving what she's called the most terrifying experience of her life. The trial, which began last month, centers around the October 3, 2016, armed robbery in which Kardashian was held at gunpoint, tied up, and locked in the bathtub of her Paris apartment at the Hôtel de Pourtalès. 10 individuals, 9 men, and 1 woman, face charges related to the high-profile heist that saw thieves make off with over $10 million in jewelry, including her 20-carat engagement ring from then-husband Kanye West. Authorities say 5 of the defendants were at the scene, with 2 having admitted their roles. The rest maintain their innocence. Among those who confessed is 71-year-old Yunus Abbas, who published a book in 2021 titled I Kidnapped Kim Kardashian. In court on April 29th, Abbas expressed regret, saying he now understands the emotional damage caused. "We just grabbed the lady's handbag, but I've discovered there's trauma behind it," he said, per the BBC. Originally, 12 people were charged, but 1 has since died and another is reportedly too ill to stand trial. Immediately after the robbery, Kardashian flew back to New York to be with West and their young children, North and Saint. The traumatic event led her to withdraw from the spotlight, including a 3-month break from social media, an unprecedented move for the reality star and business mogul. French investigators took her testimony in New York in February 2017, shortly after 17 arrests were made in connection with the case. At the time, her Paris-based lawyer, Jean Vale, told L'Express the arrests brought hope that some of the stolen jewelry might be recovered. But only 1 item, a diamond and platinum cross, was ever found, reportedly dropped by a fleeing robber. Kardashian avoided Paris for nearly 2 years following the robbery. Her first return was in June 2018, accompanying West to Virgil Abloh's debut show for Louis Vuitton. On an episode of Keeping Up with the Kardashians, she shared her desire to reclaim good memories of Paris. "I hope this trip will remind me why Kanye and I fell in love with this city." Though she and West have since divorced, she filed in 2021, Kardashian has made several trips to Paris since. As the trial proceeds, Kardashian's legal team says she won't comment further until she testifies. Ms. Kardashian is reserving her testimony for the court and jury, said her lawyer Michael Rhodes on April 28. She has great respect and admiration for the French justice system and has been treated with great respect by the French authorities. Over the years, Kardashian has spoken about the incident, particularly during a 2017 episode of Keeping Up with the Kardashians. Recounting the night to sisters Kourtney and Khloe, she described hearing footsteps and assuming it was Kourtney returning to the room. But when no one responded, she felt dread set in,